Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. This is our 2001 Chaparral Sunesta. This is a 21 foot with a 5.0 Mercruiser. This boat's great. It's fully open floor plan. It's got the little sink up here. I mean, for a 2001, this boat looks absolutely immaculate. It only has 135 hours on it. And with that 5.0 Mercruiser, I mean, tons of horsepower, water skiing, tubing, wakeboard, just, you know, cruising around with everybody. Just a fantastic looking boat. It has a full cover for the boat, 10 full Bimini, as you can see right here. It's got the nice walk through, huge playground bench seat area, nice captain's chair. It's got the stereo. This is cool over here, you know, with the little sink. Nice little storage area there. Lots of cup holders. Just a nice open layout and floor plan on this boat. Just lots of fun on the lake. Come and check out this 2001 Chaparral Sunesta at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005, or check us out on that website at MarineMaxGreenville.com and come and look at this 2001 Chaparral, 135 hours. Won't last long. Boats are going quick. Come and get it.